have this cup, but I think it's a little bit small. The cheese one. It's getting crowded here. The red Buldak. I noticed all of them looks the same except cream carbonara. Looks like more yellowish, more thicker, more curlier. So let's bring the hot water and let's taste them out. Just to remember the instructions. I brought the hot water. We will let this one rest 5 minutes. So now 12:27. Lastly, the fifth one. This one looks delicious. Deliciosos. The noodles crying. You can hear them scream. This one looks like spaghetti more than noodles. We will come back later. While they are sitting, let me explore the contents. This one cheese powder. Buldak cheese sauce. Quattro cheese sauce. Quattro cheese with the original Buldak flakes sauce. With the 2x original flakes sauce. They look similar. Cream carbonara sauce powder. Only these have flakes, the rest bound. All of them have sauce. Noodles looks like worms, in my opinion.